As we prepare for this next chapter, the birth of victory with Ash, we must take a moment to reflect, to pause, and truly ask ourselves, what do these three words mean? Rise, reset, and refocus? Because these words are not just slogans, they are the foundation of what's coming next. They are a call to action for every one of us who dares to believe that something greater is ahead. Rise. To rise means to lift yourself above the noise of doubt and fear. It means standing strong, even when the path isn't clear. To rise is to refuse to stay stuck in what was, and instead reach forward to what can be. This new platform, Victory with Ash, is our opportunity to rise as individuals, as a community, and as a global movement. Each of us must decide to stand up, not just in words, but in action. Rise with courage, rise with purpose, rise with faith. Reset. To reset means to let go of the old, the past frustrations, the old systems, the old mindsets that no longer serve us. It's time to clear the slate, to start fresh with a heart that's open and ready to learn. The Victory with Ash platform is not a continuation of what was. It's a rebirth. And for something new to grow, we must be willing to reset. Reset your thinking. Reset your expectations. Reset your approach to learning, growth, and teamwork. Refocus. And then, we refocus. We fix our eyes on the vision ahead, the dream that's being built. No more distractions, no more doubt. It's time to channel our energy where it truly matters. Refocus on your goals. Refocus on your mindset. Refocus on your commitment to excellence and growth. Preparation and responsibility. This new platform is not just a place. It's a movement built on responsibility, learning, and collaboration. We're not here to wait for success. We're here to build it. That means showing up, taking the training seriously, learning every tool provided, and mastering every resource offered. Work hard, be consistent, be teachable, and most importantly, be ready to help others. Because true victory is not about rising alone, it's about lifting others with you. If someone has questions, help them. If someone feels lost, guide them. We grow stronger together. So as we step into Victory with Ash, ask yourself, are you ready to rise above? Are you ready to reset what no longer serves you? Are you ready to refocus your energy toward a brighter, stronger, united future? Forget the old, embrace the new. This is the moment we've been preparing for. Together, we rise. Together, we reset. Together, we refocus. And together, we will achieve victory with Ash.